Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's project is this cute little crochet bunny rabbit coaster. It's very simple to make. In a nice circle, we added the head, the tail, and the head, the ears, and the tail. Wow. So let's do this. If you are a new viewer to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, please hit that subscribe button. This channel is updated weekly with free tutorials and patterns, just like the one we're doing today. In order to do this, you'll need to make a magic circle. And you're going to immediately chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. You're going to go back into your ring and make 11 more double crochets. So 11 double crochets. And at the end of your row, including the 3 chain space, you will have the 3 chain, you will have a total of 12 double crochets. You will now pull your magic circle closed. And you're going to slip stitch into your very first stitch. Please chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. The repeat for this is 2 double crochet in each stitch right around. So 2 double crochets in each stitch right around, and I'll meet you right here. At the end of this round, you would have a total of 24 double crochets. Please slip stitch into your very first double crochet. For row number 3, chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to work 2 double crochets. The repeat for this round is 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the following stitch, 2 double crochets. And you will continue with that right around your row. Or should I say your round. When you get to the end of row 3, you will have a total of 36 double crochets. Please slip stitch into your first double crochet. For this round, chain 3, that counts as 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, please make 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, 2 double crochet. The repeat for this round is 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the second stitch, followed by 2 double crochets in the third stitch. You will continue this right around your row, your round, and I will meet you at the end of this round. At the end of row 4, you will have a total of 48 double crochets. Please go ahead and slip stitch into your double crochet. So you have an option. You can make the head and the ears and the tail in one color, but I'm going to change color. So I'm going to just quickly snip this off, work my tails in, and I'm changing to white. If you do change color, you can join to anywhere, any stitch on the last row. If you don't, just continue as normal, please. You will start by chaining 3. And into the same stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, you're going to make 2 treble. In the following stitch, you're going to make 2 more treble. In the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochets. Now we're going to work the ears. Please chain 9. One slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. 1/2 a double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 treble in each of the next 3 chain. This is to give the ear shape. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the last stitch, 1/2 a double crochet. And you're going to slip stitch where you started your chain into the top of that double crochet. Chain 9 again. And we're going to do the exact same thing. That's 1 slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. 1/2 a double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the third stitch. In the next 3 chain, you're going to make 3 trebles. So 1 treble per chain. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet. In your last chain, 1/2 double crochet. Now you're going to slip stitch right here. Can you see that? Where you worked your initial two double crochets, you're going to slip stitch in there, chain 1, and cut your yarn. We'll work that tail away in a few minutes' time. Now to do your rabbit's tail. From this ear, you're going to count 16 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Put your hook in there. You're going to join your yarn into the 16th stitch. And you will, I'm just going to move my tail this way. You're going to chain 2. Into the very same stitch, you're going to make 4 double crochets. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to slip stitch into the exact same space. Chain 1, cut your yarn. Now we're going to work away those tails. I've worked my tails away. I've put on my eye. Please be advised that you can block this project and pin it down so that your ears don't move and your tail also doesn't curl back up. And we are done. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this tutorial. There will be much more to follow. When you try this, please tag me in your video. I'd love to see what you're doing. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, all of that stuff. But most importantly, enjoy crocheting. Enjoy it. This is the Queen Phoenix, out.